Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video I'm gonna be trying out a hairstyle that I saw on TikTok. I specifically went over to TikTok because I didn't really know what I wanted to do for today's video. I wanted to keep it light, keep it easy for me to film and put it up for you guys. And I haven't done any kind of hairstyles in a while. So I found a really simple, really cute style that I think is kind of trending right now, but we'll see. I'm gonna put the video on the screen. Her hair looks bomb, so hopefully I can transform this kind of like old puff into this particular style. My hair is not dry actually at all. I washed it, I want to say like 3 or 4 days ago. I took the twist out like a day or 2 ago, but I got rained on, so we look rained on. So we're just gonna jump right in. No need for long talking. If you are new here, subscribe on the KandidKinks family, and let's just start. So following her, she opened up with her hair in 2 puffs already, and then she had like 2 little twists that seemingly was like triangles that she used to just part that little bang, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try to part my hair as neatly as possible down the middle. So then she put a triangle like this of hair. Hers are kind of small compared to what I just did, so let me... You guys can probably see by the way I'm handling this comb that I do not I do not put a small comb to my hair very often because I don't, you know, I keep it simple. I don't even know when I last used a comb like this. All right, that's good enough. That's good enough. So I'm just going to, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I guess I'm gonna just do like this. I'm real focused today, you guys. I'm trying to give you guys a really cute style. This looks hilarious. A really cute style. I think I'm gonna bring styles to the channel more often, just for fun, because how much other things can I really do? I like to do 2 puffs actually a lot, especially when I don't want to put too much tension on my edges. And I find that 2 puffs tend to be a lot neater on my edges than 1 puff, you know? The back here is not gonna be as neat, so I'm not even gonna show that to y'all. But just to get an idea of what we're working with. So I would say she formed and gelled the puffs before she went in to do her bang. So let me do that. I feel stressed out. So I want it to come out cute. I don't know if it's gonna come out cute or not, because I don't have the hands for the sleek, perfect style like people be having on TikTok. So this side's gonna get covered with the bang. So I'm gonna focus on this side. I'm using For My Kinks Mist 360 Mist bottle just to dampen the front. And this is the clear one, which is back in stock now. It was out of stock for a while because, you know, the virus had everything on pause, but we're back. And since my hair is moisturized, I'm not even gonna put a moisturizer underneath, and I'm gonna go in with the Wet Line gel. I haven't used this gel in so long because I don't really do much gel style, but I did like this when I tried it. I didn't have any issues with it. So I'm gonna apply it. And I think the key to these styles like working for people is just a lot of gel, a lot of water, and patience. Is that lint? Girl, I'm trying to do something for the people, please. Thanks, Jesus. Gonna add a little bit more water because I know it's gonna help just slick this hair down. And I'm gonna put some gel on the brush. My edges love to coil up, which is why I really don't spend too much of my time trying to lay them or swoop them, because they really like to coil up. All right, so after she kind of like laid the base down, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna take this out. Actually, I'm gonna like pin my hair out of the way a bit because it's in my way. So I'm just gonna clip it out of the way. I'm real focused today, y'all. No jokes. So now I have it. This part is not perfect at all, child. But what can I do now? Not a damn thing, because only the problems. This is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. I feel it in my spirit. A little bit of water. We don't want too much reversion. And then I'm gonna put some gel, like this much. And I'm just gonna try to apply it like this. Yeah, to encourage the laying. I like how sleek it's getting though. I do notice that. I think her taking out the hair, like taking out a small portion of hair, really helped it. Like, helped it not be too bulky, because my hair is so thick, it probably would have been super bulky if I was trying to do this on like a bigger section. So shout out to sis. And I'm just going to lay it down. Is this above her ear? Y'all, this is why, like, no, this is just not. Okay, so it is above her ear. It goes like this. And did she just pin it? Like, where did she even put this? Like, where did she put this? Like, just right here? Because that's a little crazy. I don't know where to put this. I'm just gonna pin it with a bobby pin right here. I don't know where she put it. If I'm supposed to know, I don't know. I can't tell. I'm gonna use one of these little clips to hold it in place. This is definitely from the front hairstyle, because I'm stressed out. Okay, so the hair is moving up a little bit. And I don't know how to stop that. So I'm just going to pin it a little bit earlier than she did, just to avoid too much movement, you know? Okay, we're getting somewhere. She also put some hair out right here, which I can do that. I can take a little something and leave it out on both sides. Let me get some edge control. I didn't get any edge control. I'm tired, y'all. So I got some edge control from Natural Club. It's their flaxseed gel edge control. I actually have used this before, but this is a brand new container. Just gonna dig my little edge brush in here, and we're gonna try to do something, because y'all know my edges was curling up. So, and I don't really mind that. I don't mind the curling up, but for styles like this, based upon this beautiful young lady's TikTok, I need to be slaying these bad boys, so that's what we're going to do. So before I lose all of this effort that I put in the past 20 minutes, I'm gonna put a scarf on this part. Walked all over the house, and the scarf was literally in front of my face. It's just a regular little satiny, whatever material type of scarf, polyester, whatever this is, I don't know, child. I'm finna just fold it in half and just tie my hair down in the front. Take these clips out now. Okay, so we do not budge, because the last thing we need today is budging. So I'm just gonna tie it back here to keep the front less busy. And since the back of my hair is not really gonna be cute anyways, I could just leave this back here. All right, if you're still watching this video and you're enjoying me trying and almost failing but not failing, give it a thumbs up. So she did something in the video that I thought was super cool to get herself some more volume. She kind of like banded her puffs. You see how my puffs are kind of just laying like this because my hair is a little bit lengthier? I'm gonna get some of these bands and I'm going to like just push the hair up and then add a band like up here, you see, to give me some volume. Y'all following? You see how this looks compared to this one? Now you might like this look, but I think this is cuter for this type of style. So I'm gonna pull my hair up again. And then add a band like a few inches higher. But this is gonna just make the hair sit differently. So I think the next thing that she did was like take some of her hair and kind of like wrap it around to make it low-key like a bun. And just twist the hair around itself and then tuck it a little, tuck the ends a little. Don't tuck too much, you don't want to lose your volume. I think that I'm completing this style perfectly, okay? Besides the back here, which I can't even, I don't know. Besides that, I think I'm giving y'all something to write home about. All right, guys, we're back. I don't think that it's 100% dry, but it's definitely dry enough to remove the scarf. And I am just hype. I am just hype because, you know, I am not the style queen, but I'm sorry, I'm not deaf, y'all, but I did that, okay? I freaking did it! It is so cute. I'm being aggressive right now. It is so cute. It is so cute. She was like twirling her ends and whatnot. For me and my hair texture, it don't work for me like that. It ain't gonna really help me like that, you know? But anyways, anywho, like, don't matter about that. This is something that I'm very proud of. I am very proud of this. I think you guys should definitely try this at home. Definitely. It's not perfect, but nothing I do is perfect. Therefore, no one should expect perfection from this channel, although we're like damn near, like we really are. Like swoop, swoop, sleek, sleek. The parts ain't even that bad. Ooh, 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 ooh. I have to show my aunts this hairstyle for my cousins to do because this is so cute. All right. Let me go take some pictures. I'm so excited about this hairstyle. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Did I body this? I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. I mean, I feel really confident about it, but let me know your thoughts. I went from focused and serious and nervous to me, just back to me, because I did it. I feel accomplished, completed. It's so cute. It's very cute. I think the way that she had little tactics to just make her hair look better, make it easier, I would definitely take note of those things. Let me tell you guys her name. I'm gonna have it on the screen, but I want to say it out loud just because she deserves all of the praise and all of the... Her name is naturally.nai. Shout out to you. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I know it's a really simple hairstyle, but if you're anything like me, this is an accomplishment. Anyways, let me go. Before you go, thumbs the video up, join the family, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you want to be notified when I post said videos, the bell next to subscribe, that's for you. And click on all once you do all the other clicking. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. It's so cute!